Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Symone. If you didn't already know, now you know. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this headband wig that was sent to me from MOSSYNE on Amazon. If you guys want to find out all of my thoughts and opinions on this unit, then keep on watching. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video, turn on those post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. Alright you guys, so as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing another headband wig review. Now this wig was sent to me by MOSSYNE Hair on Amazon, so I will leave a link down below to where you can purchase this headband wig. This product was sent to me for reviewing purposes, however all thoughts and opinions are my own. But we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. Now this is a 14-inch Brazilian body wave headband wig. So it came with 3 headbands, which we like. We love when they send us headbands. And then it also came with a stocking cap, which is great because we can always use these. Okay, so they gave us some of these, which is great. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the headband wig. Now this is in the color natural black. I can take the net off. And I did go ahead and wash this hair, you guys. I don't like wearing wigs straight out of the bag just because they're coming from a foreign country and we just don't want any of what may be on the hair to remain on there. So this hair is washed and it smells like washed hair. I don't know what I was trying to say there. All right, so let's get into the cap construction. So there are a total of 4 combs. So there's 3 at the top. So you have 2 on the side, you have 1 in the middle, and then you have 1 at the very nape. And then you have the Velcro strap. Now, if you watched my last headband wig review, which was on this headband wig, then you will know that this one actually has a Velcro strap and adjustable straps. But this one just only has a Velcro strap and the 4 combs. So I'm going to go ahead and take this headband wig off and try this one also. I placed the headband wig on. I'm going to insert at least one of the combs. I did notice, well actually, yeah, I did notice the 2 combs that are in the front are like right here, and then the comb in the middle is like more so right here. So I'm just gonna leave it and I'm gonna just place my bobby pins. That's how I like to keep them adhered anyway, just because I just feel more secure when it's like that, just for me, so I can, you know, whip my hair around and all that good stuff. And then also you'll have a headband on if you choose to, so it's not really going to be that big of a deal in terms of people seeing the bobby pins. All right, so when I did wash this unit, it did have a fair amount of shedding, which was to be expected because I was washing as well as like detangling the wig. So I also say that's another thing that you should do is just wash the wig too, because you'll be able to get rid of that extra shedding. But yeah, I really like this hair. I'm just gonna brush it out for you guys just so we can see if there's any additional shedding going on right now. But this is a really, really cute unit. There was a little bit of shedding, if you guys can see. There's just a little bit, nothing too crazy. So shedding does not bother me unless it is excessive, and then that does become a problem because I have carpet in my home. But I really do like this unit. It is just giving me very like crimped and tousled type of hair. So I really like this unit. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So that is where it's reaching. but the hair is a nice density. It is 150% density, which I think is really, really good. It's not too thin and it's not too full, especially at the length that it is, which is 14 inches. And there's so much that you can do with these wigs. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's, because I do have a headband wig video on there. It's a little, it's in my reels, and it's of how to style a headband wig, so go and check that out. But I really like this, and this will be really cute in like a low ponytail or like a little bun. So I really like this. Now, I want to go ahead and try out these headbands that they sent me. All right, so this is the first headband. I really like this one. I like the pattern. I like the style. It's just very, very nice. It's very tropical. It's giving me vacation vibes. So I really like this one. And see, it did go ahead and disguise those bobby pins that I inserted in the beginning. So you don't have to worry about that showing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the second one. This is the second one. So it has some white butterflies, and then it's a black headband. So it's very simple. This can go with a lot of different things. I really like this one too. So now we're gonna go ahead and try on the last one. All right, guys, and this is the third and final headband. It is like a cheetah type of print style, and I really like this with my earrings. Okay, y'all, this is really cute. This is really, really fabulous. All right, you guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video and you liked this wig, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that you click that link down below in the description box so that you can go ahead and purchase this wig. Again, thank you so much, MOSSYNE Hair, for sponsoring this video and for sending me this wig. I greatly do appreciate it. Make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video, and follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.